Sydney. It's day 2. Wag kita na ko'y plano nga mulakaw karon ba kay. Ganahan na ko mag-chill pero sayangan kay ko sa adlaw nga di ko mulakaw. Anya ugma mularga na ba ako padung Canberra. So, lakaw lang ko. Time check right now it's 1:56 in the afternoon and I woke up very late today. Natulog ko late pod. Mga alas 3 or alas 4 siguro to sa kadlawon. And matapog ko alas 12. Then kaon ako og pan for breakfast and then coffee. And then I decided nga murag lami man kayo ang weather today oy. Nga sayang kay nga di ko mogawas. So wala ko'y really exact plan for today. Magunsa ko, asa ko moadto. It's just that gusto lang ako nga i-explore ang Sydney, lakaw-lakaw sa ilahang downtown. Wala, sightseeing lang gyud. Tanawon na to kung asa ta padung karon kung unsay ato ang ma-accomplish for today. But I have to be back home definitely before 8 p.m. Yeah. Pero for me, I think that's very late already. It's Monday and I have work today. Late mahuman akong work today kay, you know, Australia is 2 hours ahead compared to the Philippines. So, if Philippine time, supposedly akong work mo end by 1 o'clock in the morning. But now, my work will end by 3 a.m. So, late na jud kay siya. So, yeah. Naako diri sa Mascot nagstay. This is very near in airport. This is where my college friend and classmate are staying. Reynolds son is already a Australian citizen. So, Australiana na siya. And then, every time mo ko Australia, hanadyo ko mo stay niya if I'm in Sydney. So, yeah. Let's go. And the good thing sa iyang condo ni kay is just 5-minute walk sa nearest nga station, which is the Mascot station, and 2 stops away from the airport. So, convenient kaya siya. And then, if you wanna go to the downtown or CBD, may tawag nila, no? Kanang murag Central Business District. Doon sa kayo good. Like, ganahan kay ko sa place. So, nanako diri karon sa train station. Naara ko diri naglakaw-lakaw sa may central area outside the central station. Gahan kayo Asian restaurants. Hindi ra gyud ka magmahay kumanhi ka dinhi cause rice is like any type of restaurant, especially Thai, Vietnamese, Korean, Japanese. Gahan kayo lami kay nga food. So I think anhi ko diri mag-lunch. It's already lunchtime but wala po ko'y gutom. Planning to just explore, just walk. Unsay naa dinhi sa may central kay wala pa man ako di siya na discover. And this time I'm here at the Market City. Mara siya old nga place. The color of the building is kana bitang mga brownish, reddish, orange-ish. Very European vibe kayo. Lakaw-lakaw gihapon ta kay para, you know, ma-explore ni nato. Sayang ang adlaw, nindot kayo ang weather. I'm inside Market City and this place is like full of Asian people. Why? Because tagasagaran sa mga restaurant are Asian restaurant. Daghan kay tao and then makaingon jud ka nga, uy, sure ko na ka sa Sydney nga mga Asian mantanan, but I think promising kayong mga food dinhi. Mga lami kayo. Oh my God. I can't wait to eat. Daghan sa kayog option good. So again, kaning Market City na arga po ni siya dool sa may central nga station. Gapalibot gyud ning central nga area with Asian food. If you really want to eat Asian food, anhin mo diri sa Market City and anywhere near the Central Station because dili mahutdan og Asian food gilaghan kayo. So guys, na ako diri sa may Queen Victoria building and then kani po siya nga building sa akong likod amo to sa gali ni siya kana akong Queen Victoria nga building na rin ha. Galakaw ra ko from Central Station up to here niabot ra ko malakaw ra magud ay siguro tanan nya lami magud kay siya ilakaw-lakaw kay bugnaw ang weather dili kay init perfect jud kay siya nga weather to roam around sa baa sa police perfect kay siya ang weather to roam around, suroy-suroy, lakaw-lakaw, di ka panington, dili magbasa imong ilok. If you want to visit Sydney before mag-end ang winter o mag-start ang spring, kay kana ang pinaka-perfect goods. Although this is my second time here, pero lahi ra gyud gihapon. Diba? Dili gyud siya always the same. The experience is totally different. So now mosulod ta diri sa Queen Victoria building, although ang mga tindahan diri di ta ka-afford, mga high-end taga-sagaran, pero sige lang tayo tan-aw ta kaybaw, mag-manifest ta nga in the future maka-afford ta na nga mga luxury items. So, diba? Let's go. So guys, mo na siya si Queen Victoria. Of course, ang likod na niya mo ang Queen Victoria building. So kani si Queen Victoria kay itom yang panit. Charot lang, charot. Si Queen Victoria kay mao ni siya ang wait, kinsa man ni siya? Mag-research ko ha, wait lang. Okay, so nahibawan na nako kinsa ni Queen Victoria kana nasa akong likod kanang link ko din ha. So si Queen Victoria DI is the great grandmother of Queen Elizabeth II katunayatap. Why? Because si Queen Victoria iyang anak si King Edward VII. Unya si King Edward VII iyang anak si King George V. Unya si King George V iyang anak si King George VI. Si King George VI, iyang anak si Queen Elizabeth. So, mao na. Related na silang duha. Kana, history at least, diba? Ako pa nang Google ha. time to go home now. I had fun. It was what, more than 3 or 4 hours of roaming around downtown Sydney or the CBD or Central Business District, exploring it by foot. Like lakaw ra gyud sa tanan, wa jud ko ga tram, wala sad ko nag-bus. Lingaw siya kay at least daghan ko makita. Always good, the best good nga pag-explore sa usa ka lugar is by foot good all the time. So I'm here at Mascot now. Pabalik na ko sa condo sa home friend and then relax for how many hours because later on work na sad, start na sad tag work. So it's already 4:40 in the afternoon. It's 2:40 in the Philippines now. Kaway sa kuha niya. Gunahuna ko unsay kaunon later for dinner. And then relax. It's Monday. Balik na punta og trabaho. Maniho na sa tagtrabaho. Kaya para mga kwarta ta. Para na atay gasto nga ilaag na to. And then later on at 12 midnight, it's my birthday. It's happy birthday to me. August 27. And then tomorrow, I'm going to Canberra. My trip is at 11 a.m. And then Sydney to Canberra is going to be 3 hours. Mabot ko Canberra mga 11, 12, 1, 2, mga 2 something. I'm excited to see Joanna, Chang, Knak, Ramir, and all the other friends I met when I went to Canberra a couple of years ago. So I'm so excited to see them. So yeah, that's the end of my video for today, my day 2 in Sydney, Australia. Thank you all guys for watching. Please like and subscribe. Paluoy, it's my birthday bitaw. Sige na, uy. Bye everyone.